In this video, we are going to see the implementation of half adder. You can see that in case of half adder, we are having one XOR gate and one AND gate. So in case of XOR gate, we will be using IC 7486, in which we are having the two inputs as 1 and 2. These are the two inputs 1 and 2, and 3 is the output. Similarly, in case of your AND gate, that is IC 7408, we are having the two inputs 1 and 2, 3 is an output. Okay, so we have to implement this circuit on the breadboard. So how we are going to implement it? For this we require two IC, that is IC 7486 and 7408. So we will start with the breadboard now. This is the kit which I have already explained you in the earlier videos. So we will have this is IC 7486. We will just implant it over here. Similarly, another IC 7408, we are going to connect it over here. Okay, for this these are the two IC whose first pin is this one. This is your first pin. This is the first pin of your IC 7486. Similarly, this is the first pin of your IC 7408. As there is one circle over here, it is shown over here, so it indicates that this is your first pin. Okay, and if there is no circle in that case, there will be some. This is the indication. You can see it over here. This is the indication. So this will be your first pin. Now firstly we will give the supply of 5 volt and ground to both these ICs. Pin number 14 this is the pin number 14, and this should be connected to 5 volt. Similarly, ground should be connected to pin number 7, that is over here, and we are going to connect the same connection in this IC also. So here I have connected VCC. This is the wire for the VCC. Pin number 14 is connected to pin number 14. You can connect this wire over here also to the 5 volt. Similarly, here also I have connected ground pin number 7 to the next IC, that is to the pin number 7. I have connected in the same column. Okay, now I have to give the input supply to my this circuit. So what is the input supply? I am using one XOR gate. Input is A and B. So I will use the two inputs over here. Okay, I will use two input over here, and I will provide it to my this IC 7486. So this blue wire I have connected. This is your pin number 1, means I will consider it as A. So I will connect it to one of my slot. Similarly, the second wire is B, yellow wire, which is connected to the second input in this way. So this become your two inputs A and B. Okay, its output, you can see it over here, its output is connected to one of the LED. So we will connect its output, means pin number 3. So I have to check now pin number 3 over here. So this is pin number 1, 2 and 3. Pin number 3. Pin number 3 is connected to one of the LED. Okay, so this is the sum. Okay, so we have got the value of sum over here. So pin number 4 means LED 4 will give you the output of sum. Similarly, we have to connect the AND gate. Its first input is connected to A and second input is connected to B, and the third, that is your output, is connected to one of the LED, that is your carry bit. So what we are going to do, this is our IC 7408. First pin will be your A, so I will connect it to A. Here it is. I will connect to first pin. You can do two-way connection over here. You can either put this A to your first input, that is over here, the first hole. Okay, this is your IC 7486. So I have just connected A over here. Okay, or you can directly use this wire and connect it over here, D7. Okay, so we will have the another input, that is B, that is my second hole, nearby hole. It is connected to the input as B, which I have connected it over here. Okay, so these are my connection which is given as A and B. Now I want the output C, that is your pin number 3. So pin number 3, that is your third slot of your IC. It should be connected to one of the LED. So I will connect this LED as over here. I will connect it to 2. Okay, I have connected this to 2. Okay, so this my 2 will work over here. So 4 is my sum and 2 is my carry. So we will see the output related to this right now. This is the truth table whose input are 1A and B, and sum and carry is an output which we have to verify. Okay, so when I will provide the input as 0 0, so in my gate, this is the gate, here if I provide the input as 0 0, so in that condition your output is what? Sum and carry both are 0. So here we have got the output as 0 0. Next input is 0 1, that is 0 1. So my output is sum. LED 4 is 1 right now and 2 is off, means I will get the output as 1 0. Similarly my next input is 1 0. Next input is 1 0. So I will get the output as 1 0, which can be written as, so this is the output 1 0. Similarly next input is 1 1. So in my kit I have given the input as 1 1. So at the output what I am getting, LED 4 is 0 and 2 is 1. So the output is 0 1. Hence we have described half adder.